Changing your phone number? You can use our Change Number feature to transfer your WhatsApp account to your new phone number. If you use the Change Number feature while keeping the same phone, your WhatsApp chat history will continue to be available with your new phone number. If you have both a new phone number and phone, back up your account prior to starting to keep your chat history. Note that messages can't be transferred across different types of phones, such as from Android to iPhone. To start, insert the new SIM card with the new phone number into your phone. Make sure that your new SIM card is active and able to receive SMS and phone calls. Open WhatsApp. Tap More Options. Tap Settings. Then, select Account. Select Change Number. Then tap Next. Enter your old and new phone numbers. Tap Next. Select if you'd like to notify your contacts. You can select all contacts, the contacts you have chats with, or a custom list to be notified about your changed phone number. Tap Done. Your groups will be automatically notified. Follow the prompts to verify your new phone number. After using the Change Number feature, the account associated with your old phone number will be deleted. To see more WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to WhatsApp on YouTube.